Hey guys, it is me Ubaid and I welcome you all to my school community, and I will tell you today why this community, and I have all of these points. So let's go by one. So why this community? I think the simple answer is I just want to create a group of people where I can talk about AI stuff in general. So that will be the very honest reason to create this community, and then there will be a lot of opportunities in there, right? So as a member, you can just suggest me the content, you can just ask your doubts, right? uh, Whatever projects you are working on, you can share in this community, and I'm sure there will be members who will be willing to help you out or just share their opinion on that, and I will be also there, right? So yeah, that will be the first thing about why this community. Now, why me? Why I have created this community? I think my YouTube channel can explain better, like, how active I am in this space with the AI and voice AI in particular. So, even for the, let's say, let's take an example for like the live kits. So if I just go to my channel and I search for live kits, so I was working on these live kit system like 9 months ago, right? So even like live kit became popular after OpenAI real-time API comes in. Like it was really 10 months or 11 months, right? So yeah, and I was creating content at that time also on the live kit. So it's just like, I am someone who is really passionate about all of this AI stuff. So I think I should be able to contribute better in the shape of a community, right? Okay, and the other thing, this community will be also about like learning, then building, and then earning with AI also, right? Now for this aspect, so even if I take like my Upwork, which is just like a small thing about what I do or I was doing. So I did Upwork for like less than a year, and so I was able to do like 30K plus here in cash, right? And also all of this stuff was somehow involved in particular with AI agents and also the voice AI agents for sure, right? So you can see like the AI agent setup, and also the ratings are like, let's say, 5 for this particular projects, this voice AI project. And you can see the pricing, you can see all of that. Now the pricing itself is another thing where we can do a lot of debate. But like the simple thing is, I have sold the agents for, let's say, 5 to $10,000, and that's how I will be able to tell you how you can replicate easily the process I am doing, right? So that will be the motive here. And let's go to other points. Also one thing I want to mention more. So if I just go for UB programmer search here, there will be one more channel which is UB programmer Urdu. So if I search for that, now the reason to show this is because I was doing this AI stuff, like machine learning stuff, even before ChatGPT and all of them became popular, right? So it's not like I am shaping my future around the hype. So it's like, I'm doing this thing from ever since I have started uh, learning AI, or I don't know how to put it, but let's just go to videos. And if I see the oldest one, So even 4 years back, I was creating content on the Python itself, which is like AI Pro language, and all of these stuff goes back to beyond or like before this chat GPT era, right? So yeah, that was the thing of why me and what's gonna come in the community. Now there will be many things. Let me just write some of those. So first thing is all about AI in general. So everything I think which will be popular or which will make waves uh, in the AI space, it will be definitely a topic to discuss in the community and build around that. Not only just have like raw discussions, but build on top of that and then making a funnel to sell it, right? So that will be the thing, and the focus will be on voice AI itself. uh, so yeah, because I think that will be the technology which you will see everywhere in a year or two, because it is already in the adaptability stage. So voice AI will definitely be a focus. And just search for maybe voice AI agents, and you will see a ton of videos me talking about voice AI. So if you are not familiar with it, just see one or two videos or maybe anything on YouTube around voice AI, and you will see what I am talking about and why this actually matters, right? Okay, and also the AI research, because I told you I am here like to explore beyond this API things, right? So we just don't want to uh, like put a boundary on ourselves to use like only the models OpenAI creates or let's say Google creates. We should be able to have a quite deep understanding of how this model works and how we can build our own. So that will be also the AI research part, as I'm also officially a master student. So I will share all of the research aspect of that journey as well. Okay, so how to navigate in the community now? So I'm sure you have already joined, or if not, you first have to join, obviously, and then here in the community, uh, maybe if you are coming from a YouTube video and you have some doubts, just post it here in the discussion and tag me. I will make sure that you clear your doubt within 24 hours, and it should be coming personally from me, right? So yeah, all of that things will be there. And then if you are doing something with AI and you think it's a win, just let us know, right? We will appreciate definitely. And then in the classroom there will be a lot of uh, tutorials, in-depth tutorials which are not available on YouTube, like and I think why it should not be on YouTube, because the value it provides, it is specific to our audience, right, who really want to build and earn and learn, right? But on YouTube, like if it goes in like public hand, it may lose its value, right? So yeah, that will be there. I'm not sure it all of it like those tutorials will be paid or free, but many of that will be free here. And yeah, so also you can schedule a strategy call if you are working on something, and we can have a discussion together, right? So there will be a lot coming here, And the reason to post it in the community is that there will be many things free, right? So if you see a free tutorial, you will be able to clear your doubts within that tutorial itself. Just tag me in there and I will be able to help you out, right? So yeah, that will be the thing. Okay, and when you join the community, please make sure you introduce yourself so that I get to know about you a bit better, and then you can just post your questions or your doubts or maybe content ideas. Like if you want me to do a video, just let me know. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care, I will meet you in the next video.